Mabuhay mga viewers, I'm Sean.
And I'm G, and welcome back to the channel.
Today we are going to be going out to meet some friends at the park. Now, why are we doing this? Well, it's because our friends are going to be watching our dogs for us while we are away, I think next week, on another week-long trip outside of Texas, and it's going to be great. And what we're doing is basically we have to test our dogs with their dogs and make sure that they're not going to eat each other. And then on top of that, we want to make sure that our drone is working all right and properly, because when we were in the Philippines, it got some salt water on it when our bag was leaking, and it was kind of acting funny, and I haven't sent it in for repairs or anything. So we don't want to take it on the trip and then it like crashes or blows up or doesn't work at all, right? So we're going to test it out, get you guys some hopefully good drone footage. I believe they have some kids soccer games going on there, so we won't be right over them, but we'll kind of get some views of all over the place, and hopefully you guys can check out some of Texas and see what you guys think.
Judy, where are we going? Let's go to the park? You want to go to the park? All right, tell them, let's go. Da-da-da. All right. All right, they're losing their minds because they know we're going to the park, so let's go. All right, boys. Sit down. No, I need you to sit down. All right, baby.
All right, we are on the way to meet the dog. And I had to find a parking spot, but G already took the dogs over there to see them. Hopefully these little guys aren't going to be little terrorists and cause problems.
Oh, okay. And it was like, look at this guy.
That one's Teddy and that one's Chewy.
Hi. Are you boys behaving yourselves?
No, they're not. Definitely not.
Yeah, see, I'm more worried about them than her. Hello.
Okay, Chew.
Is Timmy running around?
He's right there.
Oh gosh, already have him making friends. Timothy,
Now I'm stuck. You know?
Timothy, I'm putting you on YouTube.
Be nice. Hey, be nice.
What do you have to say to the world?
Mommy not hurt Teddy.
Say something to the world, something profound.
No, Mommy. It's okay. Don't start it. No, Teddy.
Mocha.
You're
Teddy, that dog is like 4 times your size.
No. I understand. They're annoying just like him. But look, I don't get to bite or punch him.
be nice.
See, and that's what he does to me at work.
All right, let's get this drone set up so we can put it in the air. And hopefully we don't have any major issues, because we need to make sure it's gonna fly right on this trip and not just crash. I'd rather it crashed here at the park than out where we're going. Okay, so it says we don't have any GPS right now, so I guess we just gotta wait for the satellites to kick in. Right now we have 7 satellites. 8.
Home point updated.
Okay, now we have 11 satellites, and we're, oh, this will be. All right. Okay, let's see how this goes.
Take off. Home point updated.
Okay, so far everything's looking good. We're not going to try and go over people or anything like that, just in case this does end up crashing. Okay, so it looks like everything's good. Yeah, I don't see any issues. Why are you so nice to me?
It doesn't even look as good as this one.
It's the same controller.
No, this one's better. That one's a weird one. This one's a cool one.
Literally the same.
No.
Yeah.
Is it?
I just don't have my things open, which I forgot about.
Wow. Okay, so you're not flying properly.
Okay, well this ends up adding, right? This is distance.
To the FAA. That's not what that does.
You don't know anybody at the FFA.
I do. I don't know anybody at the FFA. And actually,
I
do know people there too.
All right, there we are.
Dog fighting time. You wouldn't let me fight my real dogs. Now it's time to fight you.
Well, joke's on you. I put missiles on mine.
I don't need missiles because I got dodging power.
Landing.
I swear. This thing acts so temperamental when you're trying to land it. Okay, so it says that. Oh, thank you. Got love dust in my eyes.
I actually came by. I was just gonna like bring it near you, and then I was like, oh, that's kicking up a lot of dust.
All right.
Which one is that one?
So I made a mistake and didn't even put the SD card in
Yeah,
it.
you gotta put SD cards inside of them for the.
Oh, is that how it works?
Mine doesn't. I have 8 gigs on board.
8 gigs?
I can record for 36 seconds.
How did you get that?
It's built into it. I'm dead serious.
I feel like you're making stuff up.
No, watch. I'll show you.
I don't want to see.
Let me just land it.
I just want to act like I don't know what you're talking about.
So.
Okay, so. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take.
Storage. I can use the card or I can use the internal. I have both.
8 gigs internal. That's crazy. Mine only has like 2.
Useful because like.
Well, I guess because yours is bigger, it has more
It's got bigger,
space capability.
bigger storage. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, well that's on camera.
Okay, go to homeless. Oh, is it on?
All right. Yeah, I think mine only
I'm gonna
has.
change out lenses really quick.
Mine only has like 2 gigs on board.
Lens covers. I've got storage. I've got 256 gigs on my handset too, because I put a handset one in there.
We're gonna take the SD card from this camera and put it in the drone so we can actually get more shots than just what I did just now. And I don't even know how much of it got, so we'll see in a bit. I don't know that I can handle you being the producer of this channel.
I don't think you can afford me. It's kind of a big deal.
I don't think I want to. All right, how do I connect my phone to the DJI Mini 4? All right, you know what? Did I turn this off? Nope, it's on. You know, I still haven't figured out the right usage of ND filters on these yet.
So there's a math thing you can do. I never do it. I just wing it.
This looks good.
That's not the right way to do it. When I do my real cameras, like my actual movie stuff, I do it. I got a calculator for it.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to switch lenses a lot, especially in the field. But right now, you have an ND filter, put a 64 on it. Put a 64 on it, put it on Pro, 24 frames, 150 shutter, and then that'll do it.
You said 64? That's kind of high.
It is, because look how bright it is on it. You're also running the shutter speed that's super, super slow, you know?
I think it's that bright.
This guy won't let you think.
You don't let me.
No more thinking. Told you that.
Alright.
Tell me when you use the brain.
When I get home, I need to do a firmware update.
The only thing with using 24 frames, the only thing I've noticed that's kind of lame, is because when you use 24 frames, I think the transmission speed's like at 100 and something frames, so it does this. Yeah.
Gotta jitter a little bit.
Jitter, but it's not in the video. Like if you record it, it'll be smooth. But in the recall, it's really
Well, okay, so if you go a higher shutter speed, you should be able to dim it down in post.
You don't want to wash it out.
No, but like if you drop it down to your 24 frames.
I'm at 24.
I'm saying that if you record in 100 or whatever, like 60 to 120,
I could record in 48.
and then drop it down in
But on
post.
100.
I've noticed that when you do HLG, it ends up washing it out like D-Log does for whatever reason.
So only use D-Log.
Well, so I don't like using D-Log because then you have to use Lutz's, and I don't like doing that.
You gotta use one. No.
Okay, I haven't found any good ones. I haven't found any good ones. Okay, as long as they're free. As long as they're free, because I'm cheap. Well, maybe we'll try ISO at 100 and then change this thing.
Hi guys. Just to let you know, I have this area reserved.
Okay, no worries. No worries.
Where's that? I heard it, but I
Just right above us. Yeah, we're not going over any people.
oh, I don't care.
You should be sorry.
It's actually his fault if you're the
We gotta move and get out of here. And we're still going. Is this A2 as well? Okay, so we gotta move out of all of these. Yeah, you're gonna get that everywhere. Hey, that lady's gonna kick us out.
No, it went into go fly home mode and I didn't have enough hands to touch the button to stop it, so it was like, whoa. I was like, no. Because I have it set right now for
thank you.
Kentucky where it goes up to 400 feet.
We got some of this too.
Oh, you got some water. They got some water. I don't want to take all your water. Oh, you're fine. It's a 2-in-1 doggy treat.
So the boys are tired now?
Not really, it's bedtime.
Well, hopefully they're done trying to fight the dog that's twice their size.
Ready?
Ah!
All right. Let's try this again and maybe do some
Aerobatics?
aerobatics. And this is why no one will remember your name. What? Motor's stuck.
Is it in the air?
That would be yeah, terrible time for that. All right, let's try this again. And we're down.
What are you eating? No.
Thank you for getting dust all over mine.
It's too easy to dust the competition.
I feel like this is some kind of aerial warfare. I'm not buying you donuts.
No. I'm putting a donut
You don't
inside
need
of
any
it.
more donuts.
I'm eating a
Neither
donut.
do I.
I said I was going to do it. video's deleted.
All right, folks, we're gonna call this one because Tim Murphy over here is just too ridiculous
On account of rain.
on account of rain. Even though we do have clouds, but they're not raining. Anyways, we're gonna call it. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Thanks for watching.